Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Honorable Principal and respected teachers and all of my dear friends, today I am going to deliver short speech about Suratul Akhlaq in weekly program Religion of Islam. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Qul Allahu Ahad. See, He is Allah, the One. Allahu Samad. Allah the Eternal, Absolute. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He is not nor He begotten. Wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. And is none like unto Him. At last, I would thank all audience, teachers, and all of my dear friends for giving me short time. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.